Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. And today we're gonna discuss about polar method, guys. You can see here. This is polar method, okay, which I mentioned here. Types of drawing. This is the continuation of previous part, guys. Okay, or you can see uh, this is related to Cartesian method. Last method I have said iterate x comma y like that. Okay, and then this is a polar method. You can see here. If anyone haven't seen that video, just I'm just showing you. Okay, this is the video, guys, related to Cartesian method in AutoCAD episode 5. Okay, E5 means episode 5 AutoCAD series. And if you want this, go to playlist. Okay, go to playlist and play. Okay, this is the video, guys. If you haven't seen this video, just go through this video. Up to 10 minutes is enough, guys, so that you can notice what were the settings limits. Up to 10 minutes is enough. What were the settings? Units. Okay, it's not. Okay, you can see here units, decimal, limits, and everything I have mentioned here in the previous video. Okay, this is a polar method, guys. Okay, let me go to this video first. In this polar method, we're discussing a similar part of this, like we mentioned, like we discussed earlier. Okay, this is a sample drawings, guys. If anyone haven't drawn these parts, go through these parts. Okay, just draw this in your notebook. Okay, I'm gonna give you the notes here about polar method, and you can see here this is the polar method. The formula, sorry, I'm getting disturbance. The formula for this is either length less than angle. This is the formula, guys. Okay, and the first one is square, and next one is length L shape, and next one is E shape, and next one is H shape. That's the thing I'm going to draw. Okay, firstly, just wrote it down, guys. Just wrote it down in your notebook. This one, guys, only this one, just note it down. Okay, I'm going to tell you. Okay, before writing this, let's go to settings. Okay, firstly, let's go to settings. What is the units? UN. Okay, let's go to units and click on this, and you're gonna head to this page, guys. Okay, this is the page. Length type, which means decimal, and precision is 0.00. Just mention this. Okay, angle type, you got in polar method, the most important thing is angle. Okay, which type you are setting? I'm setting it as decimal degrees. Okay, and the precision is 0.00, guys. Okay, don't forget, don't click on clockwise, be it in anti-clockwise. Okay, and just place it in meters. Okay, in international. Okay, and the most important default setting is direction, guys. Just go to this, and you're gonna head to this page, and in this page you're gonna see base angle in east, means from east direction itself you're just moving from anti-clockwise direction like this. Okay, like this. Okay, I'm gonna show you in video, and click on OK, and click on OK. This is the thing. In limits and everything is set as default, so there is no need to change. 0 comma 0, 100 comma 100. Okay, and when coming to status bar, just go to status bar and see this is 90 degrees. Okay, and this is end point, midpoint. This is not that much important, okay, for us for now. Okay, I think so everyone wrote this one, everyone drawn this one. And firstly what I'm drawing is square. For the square, what is the matter, what the notes is this one, guys. Just pause the video and write it down. Okay, and again I'm saying, just pause the video and write it down so that I can start the class. Okay, okay, now let's enter L. Okay, just type here L, enter. Okay, just click on this. Okay, just click on and move. Okay, simply click on and move. Okay, let me show you replacing this one from in video, guys. Okay, let me show you. Okay, I think so this is enough. Yeah. Yeah, guys, this is enough, I think so. Yeah, it's good. Okay, let's do now. Click on L, enter, and what it is saying, specify first point means here start point. Just click on this, and after that what it is showing, at the rate 10 less than 10. Okay, less than 0 means 0 means 0 degrees. Okay, okay, let me enter at the rate, and you can see at the rate 10 less than 0. Okay, and click on enter, and here you can see, guys, there is a line, and after that again enter at the rate 10 less than. Now what you need to do is it's not 190, it's 90. Okay, it's 90. What you need to do is if you now you need to have a 90 degrees, guys. Okay, perpendicular. For that what you need to do, this is a 0 angle, this is 90 angle, this is 180 angle, and this is 270 angle. Okay, 270 degrees like that. Okay, and now what you need to do is 90 degrees. Okay, enter 90 and enter. Okay, and you had it. Now what you're gonna do, 10 less than 180. Okay, now you need in this direction. Okay, in this direction you need to draw. Okay, and click on enter. Okay, and then after at the rate 10 less than 270, guys. Here you can see 270. Okay, and click on enter, and you have the square, guys, and click on enter. Yeah, and this way you got the square. Okay, if you don't understand, let me explain you again. Okay, now with brief explanation I'm going to take this one. Okay, just take this one, and see everyone is seeing this keyboard, guys, virtual keyboard in Windows itself. Okay, they're just providing us. Okay, let's take firstly let's take L, enter, and then click on here, and then I'm going to take a virtual keyboard. Okay, wait, let me drag this one, let me have this one. Okay, and then what I need is firstly shift at the rate. Okay, at the rate is that one only, at the rate, and you can see here. Okay, just see, look at here. Okay, just look at here, at the rate, remove shift 10, and again I want shift. Okay, and 0 and enter. Okay, I got it. And next one again at the rate 10 shift less than, now I want 90 degrees. Okay, perpendicular, enter. Okay, I got it. Again shift at the rate 10 shift less than, now I want is 180 degrees like this. Okay, 180 and 180, and click on enter. Okay, and you got this. I think so you got this how I did. Okay, now there is no need to always have at the rate. Just click on 10 less than 270. Okay, and click on enter. Okay, no, what I got, nothing I got. Okay, let me complete this one at the rate. Okay, wait, let me wait. Okay, let me have this complete this one at the rate 10 less than 180, enter, and now at the rate 10 less than 270 and enter. Okay, and just if you want to close end this one, click on enter. Okay, that's it. Okay guys, I did in virtual keyboard also guys how to enter in your real-time keyboard. Okay. Okay, now we need to enter again this L shape and E shape like that. Okay, let's enter this one, copy it. I'm just writing down, paste it. Okay, this is a L shape guys. After this if you want to enter 6 and then at rate 0 and 2 upwards guys means 90 degrees. Okay, and then this 4 is, let me write it down and come back to the video. Okay. Okay guys, I think so everyone drawn these things. Okay, and then just write it down these things. I think so everyone wrote L guys. Okay, and then after that just write these things. Okay, pause the video, just pause the video and write from here. Okay, right up to here. Okay, and then pause the video and write it down, and then get down and then pause the video and then write it down this one. Okay, write it down. Okay, I think so everyone wrote these things guys. Okay, I'm going to save this one, and after that let me draw L shape. Okay, that let's draw at the bottom of here only, so that you can easily understand. Okay, and let's draw L shape. Just click on L enter. I'm just drawing L shape guys. The L enter is line command, don't confuse. Okay, don't get confused. L for not L shape is for line command. Okay, L enter, click on first point. Okay, click on first point, and after that everything is in your keyboard, and just type 6 less than, you can say at the rate or 0 and click on enter, and you can see a line. Okay, okay, line. And then after that no need to at the rate guys, just click on 2 greater than 90, enter, and then 4 greater than 180. Yeah, and then 8 at the rate that means greater than 90. Okay, and then this is 2 greater than guys. Okay, this is 2 greater than 2 greater than 180. Okay, and 10 greater than 270. Okay, and click on enter and click on enter, and that's it guys. L is created. Now let's draw E. For that L enter, and then we should take E. Okay, let's consider the E. Okay, this is E shape. Okay, L enter and click on it, and then what you should do is first of all 6 greater than 0, enter, and you got it, and 2 greater than 90, enter, and then after 4 greater than 180. Okay, enter, and then after I'm also get confusing 2. Okay, 2 greater than 90, enter, and then 2 greater than 9, and then 4 greater than 0 guys, enter, and then 2 greater than 90, enter, and then 2, not 2, now 4 greater than, now I think so 180. Yeah, you can see 180. Okay, and then 2 greater than 90, enter, and then upward. Now we need this side. Okay, this angle means 0, means 4 less than 0, enter, and you got it. Okay, this one. and next one 2 less than 90. Okay, less than 90 like that. Okay, and then 6 90 degrees. No, not this. 6 1 180 degrees. Enter. Okay, I think you got it. And the last thing is 10 less than 270 means downward. Okay, this is the angle. This is the downward 0 90 180 0. Okay, enter. Okay, let me draw some angles, guys, so that you can not be confused. Yeah, enter like that. Okay, let me draw some angle. Let me name this one 0. Enter. Degrees. These angles, guys, 0 90 180 and 270. Okay, just write it down, okay, so that you can easily understand. Just write it down, guys, this one. And after that you can see H. Okay, H, last one is H. Just write it down, guys, this one. Just write it down. Okay, I'm gonna draw from like this. Okay, L. Enter. Now you're entering start point. Okay, now what you need is 2 less than 0. Okay, enter. You got this, guys? Yeah, got it. And now for H. Okay, and then I'm just zooming in. Okay, now 4 less than 90. Okay, and then 2 less than 0. Okay, and then 4 less than 270. Okay, just look at here. Okay, look at here. I'm just doing this video in laptop, guys, so that while you're watching in phone, there might be small disturbance. Okay, so small. Okay, I'm sorry for that. And then 10 less than 90, and then 2 less than 0, not 0, 180, and then 4 less than 270. Okay, downward, and then 2 less than 180. Okay, 180, guys, this one. Okay, and then 4 greater than 90. Okay, this one 4 greater than 2 less than 180. Okay, and then 10 less than 270, and then enter, guys. I think so the video is over, guys. I think so this topic is over. Okay, this is a polar method, guys. From next video onwards, let me discuss absolute method, guys. This one, absolute method. Okay, if you go to this and save, and you can see this is absolute method. Okay, let me discuss this one. Okay, from direct, this is called direct method. There is no formulas, guys, just the direct method. Okay, and so you watch this video carefully again. Okay, I think so hopefully you enjoy this video. If you do like this video, just like it and subscribe subscribe the channel for upcoming videos, guys. I hope you enjoy this video. Okay, do share, and that's it. Stay tuned for next class, guys, for the absolute method. That's called direct method. Okay, and bye bye.